Welcome back to my vlog! This is Melch again, and for today's video, pumunta tayo sa Robinson's Galleria actually to buy something lang, but we ended up attending a KCON.
Started in 2020 with 620 members from 72 countries. Fast forward to this year, creator who is already walking this path will serve as a practical compass for everyone's future activities. Without further ado, the main lecture will now.
Thankful to all of you guys for making it here today. But this is scheduled or Catholic in Manila. So,
The K-pop sirs.
is extrovert.
The leader of the K-pop sirs.
Really brings us all
We're here in everyone's K-pop. Meron tayong mission card. Pupunuin natin to. Tapos makakakuha tayo ng freebies. Let's
fellow
go!
K-pop fans and K-drama fans. In your case, I'll call you this stand beside me later. It's a one-hand.
Thank you!
Careful chair. They can do one.
Ah, KCC souvenir. What's the KCC souvenir?
Have to film Korea with her. Very, very nice. Great to see English.
Sa IG. IG?
Ah, thank you so much!
Actually, found out about the part for one time.
Ito lang?
Very fun. So here's some people I got to meet. This was, I think, 2023. Nows and Lightsum are two of this beginning groups in Cube Entertainment. So you might know Cube.
Ah!
Like a rock band. So now sound guys ready to make and identity. So and I got to do a TikTok with it. Very funny.
Oh! Kayo yung pupunta ng Korea.
Pulot ko ba? Ha? Survey lang po.
Ah, survey. Wala po akong Facebook.
Right? I mean, it is a crazy thing nowadays, but it's really nice to shake your hand. And you're wearing Max. You might know Max. I'll show you very much because
Thank you so much.
that's in the picture right there. Like, and if you guys want to go walker, so I got to also do a collab with her, as influencer. You know, usually these opportunities are given to maybe after everything. Should I be very famous to reach this part where I can meet them?
Roll the dice lang. Both dice? Or just one? Yay! I get a photo card. Can I choose? Eh, pwede mag... Saan sila eh? Saan na?
But it wasn't really course that I like, you know, so
Dami ah. Hindi ka makapili ah.
Dayon na lang. Dayon na lang. Kita saan? Sinayon na lang. Wow!
K-pop, when you understand the lyrics. So I was not trying to just do one to get Korean entertainment.
O, isa na lang guys.
So I was like, K-drama, actually to do my favorite K-drama I watch. Who are these two 2015? Have you guys watched this?
No, the fandoms. May
Very nice
nan-ano.
drama.
Naku, hindi ako magaling sa fandom.
This drama, just like
Ay, ayo!
you like to search up all actors,
Ana.
cast, their age, their background, their K-dramas, their life. I do that all the time. So that's what I did. I love this drama. As someone who was technology it's something I never thought I would be interested in.
Ano yung WAP?
So young
Ano yung WAP?
and seeing that we have the same age.
Triple?
Somehow that gave the
Ay!
I wanted to be in entertainment. And I remember studying engineering.
Ang twice? 20? Ay,
Twice once.
ayaw nga pala
All
once.
my homework, study for all my exams
How about smoke?
during my lunch breaks, just so that I would have enough time to post content.
Dapat makailan ka?
Tatlo.
So that's like
Ang
how
hirap
I
naman.
wanted to
Hates
make it
2
work.
PM?
Oh,
Because again, I don't
Girls' Day days.
guys, ano naman?
Mahanap ko yung... Ay!
So, again, I started creating content. And there's times that I just wouldn't gain any followers anymore. And I'm sure you guys also relate to
Ano
this.
yung WAP?
So, yeah, there's times I wasn't gaining followers until I made this
Wala.
video with the family of Jisoo. So, if you
Ay! Kasi na ko muna kumain.
Alam mo na, parang bang nanalo na.
Di natin nakita kung nasan siya. Yuwena.
Isa pa lang yan. Isa pa lang.
Kala mo jackpot na.
Just to be here. So I made a video about
Nani? Ah! Sana, ano pa?
Pag-isipan mo kasi saglit lang tatahan na. Wala pag-isipan.
Ay!
object and this new one in the background. So that was the first viral video I did. And what hit for me here is that I just redoing the same video and it didn't million views.
Twice. Once.
I realized that part
Wala, di ko pa nakita yun. Baka dito. Nabuksan ko na to?
Sampay lang yan.
Ito, nabuksan ko na to?
a lot as well.
Ay!
Lahanin mo na lang kasi. Parang may nabuksan.
Teka.
May nabuksan ka ng one.
Wala, wala.
So,
Baka to. Nabuksan ko na to? Ang memory ko. Ay, nabuksan ko na to!
Nabuksan mo na yan.
Aping! Aping! Aping to, diba?
I would say like, you're welcome. I would say something like video.
Ah?
It actually got 1.3 million views.
Ah, talaga?
Which is crazy.
Champion siya.
And that was
Na para bang,
so,
ano na, ano pala?
this whole story, I'm
wait.
It's a whole K-drama.
Ah.
I mentioned that earlier.
Ano
but
ganda?
Ano maganda?
if I tell the story,
Wala.
it's really like
Luna yan.
Luna. Espa? Espa na lang. Espa na lang. Thank you!
Magkaka-partner po sila. Hanapin mo din po nito.
So, this came by, I started doing online.
Meron na.
And I got to work with a bunch of million viewers organically, like no boosting. So I think this was my mostly that this video is what then to get me for a future video, for a future interview. Now,
Jam
I
yan.
only got introduced online.
Ako si
This is
Nayon.
going to be my first time interviewing a cast in person. And lo and behold,
Ah, dito tayo. Ay, si ano?
my first interview is going to be with no other than
Dito.
where I started everything with.
AP.
But of course, that's not all.
Spin the wheel lang.
There's a lot more. This actually,
Ay!
this was to Thailand for this one.
Do another. Ay,
But
free stamp?
I think a few days before that flight, they told us
Ano, wala na sa ibig. Black picture.
So I thought,
Photo card.
so here, this is actually, and during this specific day, it was the red carpet for a good one.
Ano yun?
Hotel gym that day. Just
Hey,
to like,
si
fix my posture
Jerry.
and exercise. And
Locson.
I don't know why I went out and did it. I wanted to just go. Many things in my work.
Ipiit.
In a lot of K-dramas, you might be familiar with him. He's very nice. We got a photo together. And on the part, I
Here's
was a
the
mirror.
Jerry.
And this mirror, there was a girl who was just working out at the gym. And I was really shy, obviously. I don't want to be a bother to her.
Anong gagawin?
May number po yan sa likod. Eh, ano ba?
150.
And later on the day of your carpet event,
Yes.
so here is you and your carpet event. So,
Hindi kayo bumalik mamaya.
Okay. Thank you. Diyan.
she's very, very quiet. Photo, and everything was done, and people were telling me, okay, it's time for you to leave the stage. But she stopped me midway. I would not have thought that she would recognize me. Like she approached me, I never told her that I was not a person.
May picture ba na?
I just say, she approached me.
May bayad po yan. Hindi din. Muna tayo sa walang pila. Hot side.
Such a huge mark
Ako wala na. Leka muna.
specific content that you can repeat. Just be consistent with it. Keep posting it. Just keep posting that. Like you can go to first impression. So if you were to go to like some of my Instagram, you can see I put on the top.
Konti lang alam ko.
My niche is K-dramas. And that helps me. So I just put it on top. And if you're looking for TikTok, push your email and also place their interview with Jisoo. Just to show what kind of people I got to meet, my interviews, and be a part of this.
Lisa!
So always make sure that you the brand is what they're all about. You can also actually the second question so if you're going online, not to study the algorithm, you have to be consistent and keep yourself. The second point too. Don't be afraid to try different methods like
Hindi namin magpe-play? Okay. Parang ang cute niya yun dito. Pero parang... Thank you!
Sayang. Kung perfect, sana no.
Pag perfect, anong makukuha pag perfect?
Wala.
Ay, ala gusto ko to. Mali. Ala gusto ko. Sa PH Arena niya yung gano'n. Tingin.
Yung usapan po namin na mag-daiso lang sana. Dito na kami nakarating.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Korean.
Evantal.
Naglalaro sila sa
May I hear a
K-pop.
cheer for the crowd? One more time.
Na kami nakarating.
9, 8, 7,
diba? Yung Daiso namin, dito na kami nakapunta.
3, 2,
Lalaro sila para sa freebies.
I will show you that again later. Smile, everyone.
Kaya na lang nila. Wala ko ano sa... So, saan napunta?
Very beautiful.
yung Daiso Japan. Pero nakapunta kami ng Korea.
Smile. 3. Oops. 2 influencer. Find it. 3, 2, 1, go. Louder. 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Tingin, ano yan? Ano yan, ano yan?
Blackpink inner area.
With Evan time again later.
Nagpa-picture na kami. Diba?
But for right now, let us welcome our host back on the stage.
Complete na nila yung mga staff.
We proceed to that
We're finally done with our K-pop mission card. So, tara na, punta na tayo sa Daiso. Kung saan talaga tayo pupunta.
generous enough to know the performance, go out to the lobby, then stay lang kayo dito. If not, you can stay on the side. Kasi kapag naman nyo ulit, dahil lang kayo. Okay? And take it easy. And of course, use our official hashtag and take
Three, two, one. Three, two, one.
Dami nila.
2,
Joke
1.
lang po yun. Ang palisin mo yung nakaplo.
Let's go!
3,
Isa pa na yan. Ano yan?
After that, pauwi na kami ng Cavite. We decided to drop by Snapresso. This is a coffee shop slash ramyun shop owned by my beautiful friend and poging barista. Pagluluto na kami. Kinuha ko ay 4 cheese. Tapos, ang dami ko palang add-ons ang sayo. And, add-on. Tada! Tada! And, press 1. Oo. Mamaya.
Ano mo inokyo?
Sa'yo. Ito pa. Titikman siya nito. Ganito lang kaliit, guys. Ang titik. Ganito lang. Isang kaperanggot lang ang titikman niya. Ah.
Nakahangla, super hangla.
Hindi mo ito
Super hangla.
Mamaya ka na. Mamaya ka na uminom. Hello guys! So we're finally home. And then yun, natapunan pa ako ng kape dito. May alaala ang Snapresso sa damit ko. But anyway, we're home. So tapos na ang ating staycation series episode 4. Nakauwi na kami. Nakapag-attend na kami ng K-pop convention. At saka nakapamili na kami sa Daiso. At saka pag-coffee na kami and bulldog sa Snapresso. It was a fun day today. So, see you on the next staycation series. Bye!